Today on Zoom.
Do you like peanut butter? Do you like strawberries? Well, if you do, you're gonna love strawberry surprise popsicles. My favorite pig is Spike. He's really nice and he really likes me. Go! Hey, Matt! Come here on the devil!
Yes, mademoiselle.
Funding for Zoom is provided by
The National Science Foundation.
America's Investment in the Future, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting,
A private corporation funded by the American people. And by
contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thanks! Hey, Princess!
Come on, everybody.
Let's go!
Come on, guys, let's do it.
Zoom! Come on and zoom, 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 on zoom. Oh yeah! Come on and zoom. You call the tune. Come on and zoom. Starting soon. Come on and zoom, on zoom, on zoom, on zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm Francis.
Hey, I'm Kenny.
Zoom. I'm Rachel. Oh, yeah.
Hey, I'm Eric.
Zoom, zoom. Hi, I'm Kaylee.
Hey, I'm Bud.
I'm Caroline. We're all plugged into one world now. So let's talk.
We want to hear from you.
Come on, give it a try. And if you like what you see, turn off your TV and do it. Zoom, 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 zoom. Come on and zoom.
Yeah.
Come on and zoom. Come on and zoom, 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 on zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Come on and zoom, 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 on zoom, on zoom, on zoom. Oink, oink, oink. Oink,
Why are we making animal sounds? Because it's the Animal Sound game, sent in by Anna B. of Orem, Utah. This is how you play. Here are 3 cards. Each of them has the name of a different animal. Okay. Here's one for you. Here's one for you. And here's one for you. Okay.
Hard.
Now, these 3 cards have the same 3 names as the other cards. Okay? Now, let's see. Here's one for you. Here's one for you.
Thank you.
Here's one for you. Okay. Now, don't tell anybody the name of the animal that's on your card. Okay? Now, you 3 go to that side of the rug, and you 3 go to that side of the rug.
Okay.
Over there. Get over there. Now, get on your knees and put your blindfolds on.
Okay.
Okay. Then, on go, you guys want to make the sound of the animal that's on your card and try to find the person that's making the same sound.
Okay.
The first pair to find each other wins.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
On your mark.
Whoa. Okay.
Get set. Go. Hey. I think it was Francis and her. Yeah, I got it first. Good job.
This is really good. Do you like peanut butter? Do you like strawberries? Well, if you do, you're going to love strawberry surprise popsicles. This cafe was sent to us by Patricia D. of Delaware. Here's what you'll need to make 2. 2 paper cups, peanut butter, an 8-ounce container of strawberry yogurt, aluminum foil, and some popsicle sticks. Here's what you'll do. Take your cups, some peanut butter, now spread 3 stripes of peanut butter up the side of your cups.
like this. You see that? Okay. Try to make it neat, because if it's not too neat, it won't look as cool as it does when it's neat. This is what it should look like when it's all done. And just put more. Oh yeah, that's neat. I love peanut butter. Okay. Then, take your strawberry yogurt and put a spoonful of strawberry yogurt into your cups. Actually, instead, I'm going to pour it because it's much faster. Okay, almost there. That's good. Another cup. Alright. Right there. Okay. It should look like this when you're done with the yogurt. Now, take 2 pieces of aluminum foil and cover the cups. This is what it should look like. Take a sharp knife and poke a hole right in the middle of the aluminum foil. Not too big. And if you're not allowed to use a knife, make sure you ask an adult to help you. Take 2 popsicle sticks and stick it right into that hole. Right there. Like that. Now, put it in the freezer until they're frozen. Oh yeah, and if you can't remember these steps, you can find the recipe for strawberry surprise popsicles at the Zoom website at pbskids.org. I have some already frozen. Pull off the aluminum foil, and then you have to rip off the cup too. And there's a seam here, so you could just rip it right off. And be careful, because the peanut butter melts really, really fast. There. And there you have it, the strawberry surprise popsicle. Bon appetit! This is really good. Hi, my name is Kelsey. I'm 9 years old and I come from Shermansville, Pennsylvania. And I love pigs, pot-bellied pigs. I live in the suburbs, but I spend as much time as possible in the country at my grandma's pig farm. Hi, honey. How are you? My grandma runs the Potbelly Pig Full Service Center. It boards about 100 pigs. My grandma is great. She runs the whole show. But I do a lot of work to help. I clean up poop, a lot of it. Sometimes I have to round up pigs that have wandered way into the backyard. Some of the pigs are kept for breeding. Some are on vacation in the piggy camp. Some are in residence for training or weight reduction.
Keep exercising.
Come on. Pot-bellied pigs weigh around 100 pounds and can live up to 20 years old.
Oh, come on, buddy.
There. My favorite pig is Spike. He's really nice and he really likes me. I help teach them to walk on the leash and follow.
Follow.
We want them to have good manners.
Follow, Oakley. Follow.
Come on. Come on. Oakley. Oakley.
Let it go.
Hello, Lulabelle. Lulabelle, Henry, and the other pet pigs, we call them house pigs, stay in the piggy parlor. There's a litter of piglets. They're about 6 weeks old now.
They're so cute.
Come here, babies. Come on. I've been around pigs since I was a baby. I even dream about pigs. Come here, babies. Come on.
Hey, Zoomers, remember when we asked you to tell us what kind of pets you have? Well, kids from every single state in the country and 12 provinces in Canada went to the Zoom website and sent in their pet data. And here's what we learned. Buzz, what pet do you think the most people have? I bet a dog. Well, you're right. Dogs were the most popular. 37% of the people who took the survey had dogs. Cats came in second place with 28%. Look at this pie chart. Together, dogs and cats made up 65% of all the pets people have. So most people have a cat or a dog. Fish came in third with 9%. There's a huge difference between the number of people who have a dog or a cat and the number of people who have a fish. The difference gets even bigger because you have to combine birds, rabbits, and hamsters to make up 10%. And it takes all the chickens, cows, horses, gerbils, guinea pigs, lizards, and turtles to add up to another 11%. The remaining 5% were made up of 23 types of pets. This includes the less popular Komodo dragons, hissing cockroaches, a Luna moth, and a miniature billy goat. So, be part of our pet survey. Go to the Zoom website and tell us all about the kinds of pets you have. We'll look at your data later on Zoom to see if we can find out other interesting things about pets you have at home.
Tell me what to do. You got to send us email. Email.
BWM Box 350.
What's that? 12134. Email. Send it to Zoom. Email. PSKids.org. Email. PSKids.org.
Dear Zoom, can you guess the names of these songs? Arlene M. of Chicago, Illinois. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a hint of a song, and you have to guess what song it is.
Okay.
Okay. Ready? Here's the
Yep.
first one. Sparkle, sparkle,
Twinkle,
tiny...
twinkle, little star.
Wow, that's awesome. Wow,
That's
you're
awesome.
great. Sparkle, sparkle, tiny five-pointed figure.
I don't know how I got that. It just sounded like sparkle, sparkle.
Paddle, paddle, row, row, row your boat. So hold on, but what does it say? Paddle, 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 the ship belonging to you. Yeah.
Row, row,
Yeah. Your boat.
Wicked.
Drizzle, drizzle, disappear.
The
Rain, rain, go away.
Yeah, that's
Rain, rain,
that's
go
what I was like,
away.
I was trying to say it. I'm like,
And you're getting the really fast. Rain, rain, go away. Bring me bring my being
Oh.
to the playing diamond.
The diamond ring. The diamond ring.
Nope. Nope. No. This is the hard one. This is the hardest one. Playing
To the playing diamond.
Yeah.
Bring
No,
my
it must
being
be.
to the playing
It must be
diamond.
shape. It must be something to do with baseball.
A
You guys
baseball
look at
diamond.
the diamond and then.
Take me out to the ball game.
Yep. Take me out to the
Oh,
ball
good job, Sam.
game. 5 plus 1 little quacker. I have no idea. This is.
Is it hard?
No. Would I know it? If you think about it, yeah, you would. 5 plus 1 little quackers. It must have something to do with like
Numbers.
5 plus 1 little quacker.
Little quackers might be like ducks.
Yeah. Okay.
6 ducks.
Maybe it's like crackers, and they're saying it.
little
Maybe it's a duck singing it. 6 little ducks.
Oh, I never heard of that song. I
Wow.
just guessed 6 ducks. I just guessed 6 little ducks.
Oh, I've never heard
instead
that
little
song either.
quackers.
Yeah, that's all it's on.
Good
What's
job.
that song? 6 little ducks. I think I've heard it, but I wouldn't like know it.
There.
Wow, those are awesome. That's my that's one of my favorite Mother Goose songs. Cool. Cause I mean,
Michelle N. of Stryker, Ohio, sent us these Fanny Doolies.
Fanny Dooley likes rabbits, but doesn't like animals. Why do you think that is?
Fanny Dooley likes carrots, but doesn't like vegetables. Why do you think that is?
Fanny Dooley likes letters, but doesn't like notes. Why do you think that is?
Fanny Dooley is a brain teaser. Like with lots of brain teasers, there's a rule for what she likes and what she doesn't like. Try to figure out the rule and then create your own Fanny Doolies and send them to Zoom.
Here's an animation called, I wonder what else I could animate, by the 4th and 5th graders at Shaftesbury Elementary School in Shaftesbury, Vermont.
Francis,
Yeah?
you want to hear some porcupine jokes?
Sure.
Okay. What did the porcupine say to the cactus?
I don't know.
Is that you, Mom? Hey, Francis,
Yeah?
What's worse than pulling a shark's tooth?
Don't know.
Giving a porcupine a back rub.
Hey, Francis.
Yeah?
What do you get when you cross a porcupine and a turtle?
I don't know.
A slow poke.
Hey, Zoomers. Here's a bunch of stuff that I arranged into different groups. There's this group, this group, this group, and that group. I use one rule to group all of these items. The rule I used is by color. See, in this group, everything has a little bit of yellow. In this group, everything has a little bit of green. In this group, it's orange. And this group is red. In a minute, I'm going to ask Buzz and Rachel in here, and I'm going to challenge them to see if they can figure out what group this object goes into. Hey guys, could you come here for a sec? All right. See all these objects here?
Yeah.
I arranged them into different groups, and I used one rule for it.
Cool.
Now, your challenge is only asking yes or no questions to figure out what rule I used to group these objects and what group this straw goes into.
I'm thinking of colors, so does yellow have to do your rule?
Yeah.
Is the rule things that are the same color?
Yes. Why don't you ask some questions, bud?
Okay.
Because all these have green in them. The frog's green,
Mm-hmm.
alligator or
This is all yellow, this is all orange,
Yep.
it's red.
So I think that the straw, because it's red, goes in the scoop.
You both are completely right.
You made it seem like I was wrong because you're like,
I know.
yes.
Yeah.
So that was so.
Try to fool you. Get to putting the black side up on the
Yep.
magnet, but
I didn't even
I see
That
that didn't
was
work.
actually kind of
I didn't
good
even
idea,
see the
but it
magnet.
didn't really work.
Now, let me think of some groups.
All right, so should we turn away?
Oh God.
That might make it easier.
So why don't we just look?
Okay, guys, try and guess my rule.
Well, I'm pretty sure it's not by color because it's kind of mixed up. So
Yeah. Does this grouping have anything to do with
something.
plastic?
No.
Does it have to do anything with size?
Yes, it does.
Did I get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, it's all these
Yeah,
are small,
'cause it's small.
these are medium.
Medium, and this is
These are
the
big.
toothbrush is huge.
Kind of
the
gives that away.
the snake. I tried
Yeah.
to fool you by
This
clearly.
is awesome.
Cool.
Okay, now you guys guess my rule. Okay.
Okay, joke.
Okay.
Does this grouping have anything to do with rolling?
Yes, you got it.
Things that roll and things that don't.
Things that roll and things that don't.
I kind of got there when
I thought that was gonna be kind of hard, but you got
at
it.
first it was because I didn't even know it. Because I didn't see that card first. I thought it was over there somewhere. Then when I saw like balls and like the cards, because I really looked at these wheels.
Yeah, that was a good job, Eric.
Thank you. Try this at home. Get a bunch of objects and group them according to one rule. Then get a bunch of friends and see if they can guess the rule that you use to group the objects. If you come up with some fun rules, send them to Zoom.
Here's a member of the Zoom team. On Thanksgiving Day, Sean S. of Austin, Texas, volunteered at the Salvation Army to deliver hot meals to people who needed them. Sean says that through volunteering, he's learned how good it feels to give back to his community. Nice job, Sean. There are lots of things you can do to become a member of the Zoom team. Hold a bake sale to raise money for charity, collect canned goods for a food bank, or volunteer your time to clean up a park in your neighborhood. Zoom into action!
Zoom into action! And join the Zoom team!
Welcome, Zoomers. We thank you for joining us for today's performance entitled Sent in by Heather M. of Millersburg, Ohio. Enjoy the show. Excuse me.
Mademoiselle, what seems to be the problem?
I can't eat this soup.
Ah, yes, I will call for the head chef.
But hey, Mac, come here on the double.
Yes, mademoiselle. This woman claims she cannot eat a soup du jour.
But, my
the manager. Miss Smith, could you come here for 1 minute, please?
Is there anything I can do to help?
Yes, this woman claims she cannot eat her soup.
Oh my, my. So busy, so busy. Call the FBI. Terribly sorry about this, but there is nothing I can do to help this. But all I want is oh, never mind that. I'll get you your salt later.
What seems to be the problem here? This woman cannot eat her soup. So she says, can you please help us? This is a matter for President. Senator President. Young lady, you have called me here all the way from Washington, D.C. What is the problem? Why? Oh, why, oh, why, oh, why? Why can't you eat your soup?
I don't have a spoon. Here you go. Thanks.
Are you looking for a wicked cool experiment? You can find science activities, surveys, and cool gizmos at ZoomSci at the Zoom website, pbskids.org, or America Online, keyword PBS Kids.
All submissions become the property of Zoom.
And will be eligible for inclusion in all Zoom media.
This means that we can share your ideas
With other Zoomers on TV
the web, in print materials,
and in other Zoom ways.
so send it to Zoom. Mr. President, your soup du jour.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What is this?
Is there a problem, Mr. President?
There's something floating in my soup. Stand back, Mr. President. It looks like some kind of code, sir.
Oh, don't worry, Mr. President. It's just the address for the Zoom website, pbskids.org, where you can find recipes for all the delicious foods served here at Cafe Zoom.
pbskids.org.
Funding for Zoom is provided by
The National Science Foundation.
America's Investment in the Future, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting,
A private corporation funded by the American people. And by
contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thanks!
a production of WGBH Boston.